To make an informed decision when choosing the best window replacement services in Birmingham, it's important to understand both your needs and the quality of service provided by local companies. Here's a guide to help you navigate this process and ensure you choose the right company for your home. Assess your needs and preferences. The first step in choosing the right window replacement service is to assess your needs. Are you replacing old windows to improve energy efficiency, enhance curb appeal, or upgrade the security of your home? Consider the style of windows you prefer, whether it's traditional sash windows, modern casement windows, or something unique to your home's aesthetic. Also, think about the materials that would work best for your climate in Birmingham. Double-glazed windows are often recommended for insulation, but different frame materials, like UPVC, timber, or aluminium, each have their pros and cons. Research local window companies. Once you know what you want, start researching local window replacement services in Birmingham. Look for companies with a solid reputation, long-standing experience, and positive customer reviews. Checking out platforms like Trustpilot, Google Reviews, and local forums can provide insight into a company's reliability and service quality. A company with a good track record and positive feedback is likely to deliver a satisfying experience and a high-quality product. Verify credentials and accreditations. It's crucial to verify that the window replacement company you're considering is licensed and insured. This ensures that the work will meet all legal and safety standards. Additionally, check whether they are a member of trade associations such as FENSA, Fenestration Self-Assessment Scheme, or the Glass and Glazing Federation, GGF. These accreditations guarantee that the company follows industry standards, which can be a strong indicator of professionalism and quality. Request multiple quotes. Don't settle for the first quote you receive. It's wise to get at least 3 quotes from different companies to compare prices and services. However, be cautious of unusually low prices. Sometimes, these may indicate poor quality materials or subpar installation practices. A reputable company will offer transparent pricing and help you understand the value of their services, such as warranty coverage, installation processes, and aftercare support. Evaluate customer service. Customer service is a crucial factor in the window replacement process. From the initial consultation to the final installation, a good company will communicate clearly, be responsive to your queries, and help guide you through the process. Pay attention to how quickly they respond to your initial inquiry and whether they are willing to take the time to answer your questions. A positive experience with customer service will make the entire process smoother. Check the warranty and aftercare. Window replacement is a significant investment, so it's essential to inquire about the warranty offered. The best companies typically offer long-term warranties on both the windows and the installation. A solid warranty demonstrates confidence in their products and services. Ensure you understand the terms of the warranty and what it covers, including repairs, maintenance, or replacement should any issues arise. Look for energy efficiency. If reducing energy bills is one of your priorities, make sure to ask about the energy efficiency of the windows. Double-glazed windows with energy-efficient frames can significantly reduce heat loss, making your home more comfortable while lowering your heating costs. Many modern window replacement services offer a rated energy-efficient windows, which will help you achieve better insulation and save money in the long run. Consider the installation process. The quality of installation is just as important as the quality of the windows themselves. Poorly installed windows can lead to drafts, leaks, and reduced energy efficiency. Ensure that the company you choose employs professional installers who are trained and experienced in window replacement. Some companies also offer a survey or consultation before installation, which allows them to tailor the service to your specific needs. Conclusion: choosing the best window replacement service in Birmingham requires careful consideration. By assessing your needs, researching companies, verifying credentials, and comparing quotes, you can make an informed decision that ensures you get high-quality windows installed properly. Ultimately, a reputable company that values customer satisfaction will not only improve the look of your home but also enhance its energy efficiency and comfort for years to come.